Welcome to another student success story, and this time we're in Soweto, Southwest Township. In this video, I'm going to share with you Sizwe and his first ever property investment where he's making a 25% ROI. He likes property because it offers him and his family financial freedom. His main influence are people in his social and personal circles who are already involved in property and had insight into what he could achieve. His strategy is buy to let, being able to create extra income by purchasing properties and renting them out for a good ROI. He invests in the Soweto market and focuses on backroom properties, which he believes is untapped. Sizwe got the knowledge to execute this deal by first following me on YouTube and then buying my paid-for courses on Udemy, which are cost-effective but also full of value. He is still working full-time as a property practitioner, but intends to do another 2 acquisitions this year. I educate people to reach financial freedom through property through cash flow positive investments, specializing in the low income multi-let residential market. So this was Sizwe's first ever property acquisition in Chawilo, Soweto. Here are some pictures of the inside of the property. As you can see, there is a main house which is already furnished and already rented out. And then on the back of the property, there are several back rooms that he's renting out individually. And now to the numbers and the juicy stuff. And the reason why we invest in property is because it makes financial sense. So the total rent that Sizwe is getting on this property is 13,500. That is mixed between the main house and also the various rooms at the back. His expenses are totaling 10,402 Rand, which is broken down into his bond repayment, his rates and taxes, provisions for things like maintenance and bad debts, management, and utilities, water, electricity, etc., leaving him with a monthly profit, a recurring income stream of just under 3,100 Rand, which, based on the capital he invested, is giving him a 25% return on investment. In total, Sizwe invested 150,000 Rand of his own money to make this deal possible. Now, unfortunately, I couldn't get Sizwe to join this call because of internet and load shedding issues, but he did leave some lessons learned from his journey so far. Number 1, assemble a powerful team. You are only as good as the people you have around you. So make sure that you've got a good estate and letting agent so that you can find stock and also manage your property. Make sure that you've got an inspector who can view the property and ensure what your renovation costs will be. Make sure you've got a reliable contractor who does the work within time and within budget. Make sure you've got a coach who's got experience and can advise and guide you on the right path. Make sure that you've got the right attorney to help you with your legal agreements and your accountant to make sure your financials are in order. Having the right professionals around you is key to succeeding in this business. Number 2, invest in your biggest asset, yourself, your mind, your knowledge. The more you learn, the more you have the potential to earn. So make sure you're doing short courses, you're on YouTube, you're learning content, you're following influencers, you're reading books, you're doing coaching programs, whatever it is that can enhance your level of knowledge and ability will help you succeed in any venture. And finally, embrace the courage to begin. You're going to have a lot of naysayers. Sizwe had his own fair share of his friends and family giving him a hard time saying, how are you going to invest in property? You don't come from money. You don't have money. How can you invest in property? You're going to have these naysayers. You're going to have people saying that you can't do this. You're not capable. You don't have the money. You don't have the knowledge. You don't have the skills. You don't have the time. Unfortunately, these people don't go away. But if you keep going and you keep growing and you become a success, I guarantee you that those people will come back and ask you how you did it. If you want to get in contact with Sizwe and see the deals that he has on the market, check the QR code. It's been a pleasure working with Sizwe and helping him on his journey. If you want to get the same results, go check out my Udemy courses where you can learn the insider secrets of property investing at a fraction of the price.